Demand is the willingness and ability to purchase a good at different price levels ceteris paribus. The demand curve diagram consists of price, P, on the y-axis and output or the quantity demanded of a good, Q, represented by the x-axis. When price falls from $60 to $40, quantity demanded increases from 2 to 4 units of Q. This is due to the law of demand. There are two types of demand curve. A. Individual demand curve. B. Market demand curve. In an individual demand curve, this demand curve represents the demand of an individual or of one firm. In a market demand curve, the market demand curve represents everybody or all firms buying and selling in the market for a good. The output or quantity demanded of a good can change because of its price changing, or it could be due to non-price reasons. According to the law of demand, when the price of a good falls from P1 to P2, this will cause the quantity demanded to increase from Q1 to Q2. We call this the price reason for change in quantity demanded. Non-price reasons for change in demand are due to 1. A rise or fall in income. 2. An increase or decrease in population. 3. Change in weather conditions. 4. A change in taste and preference. 5. Change in price of a related good. When income rises, people will demand for more luxury good like cars. This causes the demand for cars to increase and shifts the demand curve from D1 to D2. Decrease in population will mean less demand for goods and services as there is now less people. Change in weather can affect demand. When the weather gets colder, there will be less demand for tennis or golf as it is cold, and this causes demand curve to shift from D1 to D2. Imagine there was suddenly a craze for coffee. This caused people to demand for coffee more than tea. This causes the demand for coffee to increase, shifting the demand curve from D1 to D2. When the price of a good like tennis racket decreases, there is greater demand for tennis rackets, and demand for its complement, tennis ball, which is a related good, will also increase.